Okay, in this video I'm going over page 195. Follow along. Not many people drive electric cars today, but one expert estimates that by 2025, 35% of all cars will be powered by electricity. A percent is a ratio or rate that compares a number to 100. We saw that in the last page, the last video. Percent means per 100. The symbol for percent is that percent sign. Okay, A. Model 35% on a 10 by 10 grid, then tell what the percent represents. So the large square represents the whole, or 100%. So this square represents 100%. Each small square represents 1%. So if this whole thing is 100, 10 by 10, 10 times 10 is 100. So each one of these small boxes is going to represent 1%. Shade the grid to show 35%. So if each one is 1, then each row is going to be 10. So to get 35%, I'm going to shade one row. That's going to be 10. Shade another row. It's going to be 20. I shade another row. Now I'm up to 30. And then I need 5 more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. So 35% is 35 out of the 100. So 35 of these out of the 100. And we can say that also as 35% out of, it's per 100. Right, 35% is a ratio. 35 out of 100 would be 35 to 100. So 35% equals 35 100ths. So by 2025, 35 out of every 100 cars may be powered by electricity. All right, let's go on to B. Model 52% on the 10 by 10 grid. Okay, so this was 35. If I finish shading this out, that's going to be 40, because I have 4 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 40. I need 52, so 40 plus another 10 would be 50. And then 2 more, 51, 52. Okay. So 52 out of 100 squares is 52 hundredths. So 52% is 52 per 100. All right, part C, model 18% on a 10 by 10 grid. I want you to use scratch paper for this one, the graph paper, scratch paper, and just line out a 10 by 10, 10 squares down, 10 squares across, just like the grid up here. I'm going to erase my work, but again, I never want you to erase. You just make a new 10 by 10 using that graph paper. So 18% is going to be a 10. So one whole row, and then 8 of the next row, or column, I should say. So 18 out of 100 is 18 100ths. So 18% equals the ratio 18 to 100. 18 per 100. All right. So again, if I'm not seeing your grids on your graph paper, I'm going to know that you're not listening to the directions and you're not following along. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.